Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Cash and you're watching Cash Fixes Cars. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove your HVAC control unit in a Volkswagen Touareg. This will give you access to replace this unit and also access the connectors on the back. To do this, we need to pop off this plate right here. To do that, you're going to get access to it under here like this and carefully pry it forward. This tool is actually a little bit weak, but it does the trick, and we're just going to go around it carefully, popping it out of place. Just like that. You can see all of the teeth on the back of this that go into the car. This is what locks that in place, and that's what you're removing here. And then you'll have access to this unit here, which should just pull out forward. All right, so to remove these, it was pretty tricky. What I ended up doing is pulling out one of those clips right there that held this surround in. That gave me access to be able to get a pry tool under there and pull it straight out like that. Now you can see this panel's coming out. And you just pull it straight out just like that. And now we have access to the wiring on the back. There are two clips on each side right here. That's what actually locks in. I don't know if you necessarily have to remove that clip right there, but that gave me just a little bit of extra room that it felt like I needed. These connectors here have a little tab there that you could press in and then pull them out. And then this one here has a lever here that you would pinch and then pull out as well. I'm going to click that back in, because I don't think I have to remove that for what I'm actually doing now. With that, that's going to wrap up the video on how to remove an HVAC panel from a Touareg. If you're interested in installing CarPlay in a Touareg, I'm actually working on that video right now, which is why I'm taking all of this apart, and that will be on my channel. Subscribe so you don't miss that. Like this video if it helped you, and I hope you have a great day.